What if you could trade your rent for a custom-built modern barndominium without breaking the bank? We are revealing 10 architectural secrets that allow you to build a stunning 2-bedroom home for just $120,000. From material sourcing to small footprint engineering, these plans prove that luxury living doesn't require a massive mortgage. Before we dive into these game-changing floor plans, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our money-saving building tips. And make sure you watch until the end, because plan number 10 is the absolute best value I've found in 2026, and I'll show you exactly how to build it for under $100 per square foot. Let's get started. I'm going to be completely honest with you. The housing market in 2026 is brutal. The average traditional home now costs over $400,000, and monthly rent keeps climbing. But here's what the real estate industry doesn't want you to know. You can build a beautiful 2-bedroom barndominium for a fraction of that cost. I've spent the last 3 months researching actual builds, talking to contractors, and analyzing real 2026 pricing data. What I found will blow your mind. 2-bedroom barndominiums are perfect for couples, empty nesters, remote workers, or anyone who values quality over quantity. The key is smart design that maximizes every square foot without wasting space or money. These aren't downsized homes, they're right-sized homes. And I'm going to show you 10 proven floor plans that deliver incredible value. The math behind 120K builds. Let's talk real numbers because that $120,000 budget isn't a fantasy. Here's how it breaks down in 2026. For a 1,200 square foot 2-bedroom barndominium, you're looking at approximately $100 per square foot for a quality turnkey build. That includes the metal building kit at $20 to $35 per square foot, foundation and site prep at $15 to $25 per square foot, and interior finishes at $40 to $60 per square foot. The cost to build a barndominium ranges from $65 to $160 per square foot, with the lower end representing smart, efficient builds. The average cost to build a barndominium in 2025 is $230,000, but that includes larger homes with premium finishes. By focusing on 1,200 to 1,500 square feet with builder-grade finishes, you can absolutely hit that $120,000 target. The secret is simple rectangular footprints, open floor plans that minimize interior walls, DIY-friendly assembly, and strategic material choices. You can save $20,000 to $40,000 by being your own general contractor, choosing stock plans over custom designs, and handling finish work yourself. Plan 1. The Rustic Nook, 1,200 square feet. Our first plan is called the Rustic Nook. At exactly 1,200 square feet in a 30 by 40 footprint, this plan is designed specifically for affordability. It features 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with an open concept living area, oversized primary suite with walk-in closet, utility room with pantry storage, and a simple roofline that reduces costs. The estimated build cost is $108,000 to $120,000. The genius of this design is zero wasted hallway space. Every square foot is functional. The rectangular shape means you're using standard material sizes, which saves thousands. The 1,200 square foot barndominium kit for this floor plan runs under $27,000, not including windows or doors. You can easily add a shop or carport later when budget allows. Plan 2. Simple Dreams, 1,231 square feet. Simple Dreams lives up to its name. This 1,231 square foot plan focuses on practical design and cost effectiveness. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, basic roofline with 2 porch overhangs, 9-foot walls for simpler construction, and minimal hallways for maximum usable space. Crafted to stay under $150,000 in most regions, this home plan aims for a finished cost near $100 per square foot. The design eliminates expensive architectural features while maintaining modern comfort. The porches add valuable outdoor living space without the cost of interior square footage. This is perfect for first-time builders who want a straightforward project. Plan 3. The Refuge, 1,200 square feet. The Refuge offers nature-inspired aesthetics in a compact footprint. At 1,200 square feet with a 26 by 50 layout, it includes 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, large walk-in closets in both bedrooms, spa-like primary bathroom, and private back porch off primary suite. What makes the Refuge special is it lives larger than its square footage suggests. The open floor plan creates flow, and the strategic placement of windows floods the space with natural light. The primary suite feels like a true retreat with its private porch access. Budget estimate is $110,000 to $125,000 depending on your finish choices and location. Plan 4. The Quinn, 924 square feet. Now we're going ultra affordable. The Quinn is just 924 square feet, but packs serious value. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, extra large primary suite, carport instead of enclosed garage, and great curb appeal despite small size. This plan can be built for $85,000 to $95,000, coming in well under our $120,000 budget. The money saved can go toward land, upgrades, or your emergency fund. The carport saves $15,000 to $25,000 compared to an enclosed garage, and you can always convert it later. This is ideal for single occupants or couples who don't need much space. Plan 5. The Getaway, 1,200 square feet with shop. The Getaway adds workshop space to your living area in a 40 by 60 layout. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 1,200 square feet of living space, attached shop area, and screen porch for outdoor living. The total build cost runs $115,000 to $130,000 with the shop included. If you work from home, have hobbies, or need storage, this integrated design saves money compared to building separately. The shop space costs only $40 to $55 per square foot to finish versus $100 to $120 for living space. You're getting incredible functionality without breaking the budget. Plan 6. The Brandy, 1,500 square feet. Moving up slightly in size, the Brandy offers 1,500 heated square feet, 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, open concept design, front porch for curb appeal, and room for customization. At 1,500 square feet, you're looking at $120,000 to $135,000 for a quality build. This plan gives you about 20% more space than 1,200 square foot options while staying close to budget. The extra square footage means larger common areas and more storage. This works great for couples who entertain or need home office space. Plan 7. 2 bedroom with flex room, 1,745 square feet. This plan adds versatility with a flex room. 2 bedrooms plus flex space, 2 bathrooms, nice garage and shop area, and 1,745 total square feet. The flex room is the secret weapon here. Use it as a home office, craft room, guest space, or future nursery. Our data shows that 2026 builders are using the flex room as a dedicated office to avoid the higher taxes and material costs of a 3rd bedroom. Total build cost is $125,000 to $145,000, which can be brought closer to budget by doing some finish work yourself. Plan 8. Modern open concept, 1,260 square feet. This plan maximizes perceived space through design. Just 1,260 square feet of living space, vaulted ceilings for drama, wraparound porch extending livable area, and 2-car garage tucked to the back. The vaulted ceiling makes this feel much larger than it is. The wraparound porch adds 300 to 400 square feet of usable space for a fraction of the cost of interior square footage. Build cost is $110,000 to $125,000. This plan proves that smart design beats raw square footage every time. Plan 9. The Shire, 990 square feet. The Shire is tiny but mighty at just 990 square feet. 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, carport and front porch, open floor plan, and sustainable footprint. This can be built for $75,000 to $90,000, leaving substantial room in your $120,000 budget for land, utilities, or upgrades. The plan combines an open floor plan with a sustainable footprint. This is perfect for minimalists, retirees downsizing, or anyone prioritizing financial freedom over space. The smaller footprint also means lower utility bills forever. Plan 10. The Budget Champion, 1,200 square foot optimized. Here's my number 10 pick and the best overall value. This 1,200 square foot plan is specifically engineered for the 120,000 budget. Standard 30 by 40 footprint using common material sizes, simple gable roof with minimal waste, open concept eliminating expensive framing, DIY friendly with clear instructions, and strategic finish choices that look expensive but aren't. The breakdown looks like this. Building kit costs $24,000 to $30,000. Foundation and site prep at $18,000 to $22,000. Assembly and framing at $15,000 to $20,000. Interior finishes at $35,000 to $40,000. And remaining budget for permits, utilities, and contingency. Total comes to $92,000 to $112,000, giving you cushion for your specific location and choices. Money-saving strategies for 2026. Let me share the insider strategies that make these 120,000 builds possible. First, choose stock plans over custom. Stock plans typically cost between $1,200 and $2,000, while custom designs run $4,500 to $8,000. That's $3,000 to $6,000 saved immediately. Second, act as your own general contractor. When you hire a general contractor, they take 10 to 20% of the total project cost. On a 120,000 build, that's $12,000 to $24,000 you keep by managing the project yourself. Third, use Barndominium kits from local suppliers. Always look for a manufacturer within a 500-mile radius of your build site to avoid freight costs. Fourth, drop ceilings in bedrooms and bathrooms to standard 9 feet instead of vaulting everything. This saves on drywall and climate control costs. Fifth, choose concrete slab foundations over basements. Concrete slab foundations cost between $6 and $14 per square foot, while basements run $35 to $50+ per square foot. Sixth, DIY your interior finish work like painting, flooring installation, and cabinet assembly. This saves $25,000 to $40,000 in labor. Seventh, use metal siding, which requires less maintenance than wood and installs faster, reducing labor costs. Eighth, time your steel purchase strategically. Steel prices have stabilized in 2026, making now a great time to build. Ninth, start with essential finishes and upgrade later. Build a grade now, luxury later when budget allows. 10th, build in rural areas where land and permits cost less than urban or suburban locations. What you get for $120K. Let's be clear about what $120,000 actually buys you in 2026. A fully functional, modern home with metal frame construction lasting 50 to 100+ years. Open concept living spaces, 2 comfortable bedrooms with closet space, 2 full bathrooms, kitchen with modern appliances, climate control with HVAC, spray foam insulation for energy efficiency, durable metal siding and roofing, and zero maintenance exterior. You're also getting fire-resistant construction, pest-proof steel framing, energy-efficient design with lower utility bills, and potential shop or garage space. This isn't a stripped-down starter home. This is quality construction with smart compromises. You're choosing value over luxury finishes, function over unnecessary space, and efficiency over extravagance. The truth about financing. Here's the reality check. Financing barndominiums can be trickier than traditional homes because lenders view them as non-traditional. Your options include construction loans requiring 20 to 25% down, land equity loans if you own property, personal loans for smaller amounts, cash builds in phases as you save, USDA rural development loans if you qualify, and specialized barndominium lenders who understand these builds. Many builders complete the shell first to make it appear more house-like to appraisers, then refinance to finish the interior. The smaller loan amount of $120,000 versus $300,000 to $400,000 makes approval easier. Some people save aggressively and pay cash, avoiding interest entirely. The lower cost makes this actually achievable in 2 to 4 years for disciplined savers. Location matters. Your $120,000 budget goes further in some states than others. Texas averages $85 to $130 per square foot, while California averages $145 to $210 per square foot. Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Missouri offer the best value. Mountain states have higher costs due to snow load requirements. Coastal areas cost more due to hurricane codes and higher labor rates. Rural locations offer cheaper land, but may need well and septic systems. Wells cost $5,000 to $15,000, and septic systems run $10,000 to $20,000. Factor these into your total budget. The good news is that rural areas also have fewer zoning restrictions and lower permit fees. Timeline expectations. How fast can you build for $120,000? The shell can go up in days to weeks. Barndominiums can be enclosed within weeks thanks to their prefabricated components. Total build time from groundbreaking to move-in ranges from 3 to 6 months depending on weather, your involvement, and contractor availability. Compare this to traditional homes taking 8 to 14 months. The faster timeline means less construction loan interest and quicker move-in. If you're doing significant DIY work, expect 6 to 9 months as you balance work with building. The key is realistic scheduling and not rushing critical systems like electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. Why two-bedroom plans make sense. Two-bedroom layouts aren't about compromise, they're about intentional living. You get lower property taxes than three-bedroom homes, reduced utility costs with less space to heat and cool, easier maintenance and cleaning, lower insurance premiums, and more affordable furnishing costs. Two-bedroom barndominium floor plans are most often chosen by couples, empty nesters, and buyers building a long-term home rather than a starter house. The priority is livability, not bedroom count. Many plans include flex rooms or lofts that can become bedrooms later if needed. This keeps initial costs down while maintaining flexibility. Building a quality home for $120,000 in 2026 is absolutely possible with barndominium construction. These 10 floor plans prove you don't need a massive budget to own your own home. The keys are simple designs with rectangular footprints, open floor plans minimizing interior walls, metal building kits for affordable structure, smart material choices, DIY involvement where possible, and realistic expectations about finish levels. You're not sacrificing quality, you're eliminating waste. Every dollar goes toward function, durability, and livability instead of unnecessary square footage or luxury finishes you don't need. The result is a home that costs 60 to 70% less than traditional construction while lasting just as long. If you're tired of throwing money away on rent, if you're priced out traditional housing, or if you simply value financial freedom over impressing neighbors, these barndominium plans could change your life. The question isn't whether you can afford to build. The question is whether you can afford not to. Which of these 10 plans is your favorite? Drop a comment below with your pick and why. If you want detailed breakdowns of specific plans or help calculating costs for your area, let me know. And if you found this video valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more real talk about affordable housing solutions. I post new videos every week breaking down real costs, reviewing floor plans, and sharing builder secrets. Remember, every month you delay is another month of rent payments disappearing forever. Every year you wait is another year of rising construction costs. The best time to build was 5 years ago. The second best time is right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we break down the actual building process step by step. Let's make 2026 the year you stop renting and start building.